Alright you guys, I'm back again, part 2 of the video. This part should be quick. We only have 2 more problems to do. This is just a continuation of what you were doing on that last piece of the video, okay? I only have a limit of 15 minutes. We might went a little bit over. So, here is your next example. Example 2 says negative 10 equals x minus negative 10x plus 3. You solve this on your own. Pause it, solve it. Come back and see if you did it right. Alright, hopefully you did that. Go through my steps. 1, distribute. Is there any distributing? Distributing. Yes, there is. Right here. I see this negative outside of parentheses, so I'm going to put a negative 1 there. And I'm going to take this whole piece and distribute it. So I end up with negative 10 equals x. Negative 1 times negative 10 is positive 10x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Step 2, combine like terms. Do I have like terms here? Hopefully you're looking at this and saying, yes, I do. On this side, I have nothing to put together, but on this side, I have x and 10x. That makes 11x minus 3 equals negative 10. Step 3, move all my variables to one side, all my constants to the other side. Well, since all my variables are already over here, I'm just going to get rid of the constant. I want minus 3 to be gone. In other words, I want it to be 0. So how do I turn minus 3 into 0? Plus 3. Because negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Plus 3. I end up with 11x equals. Here, I owe you $10, but I only have $3. Can I pay you back? No way. So I still owe you money. I still owe you $7. Finally, isolate our variables. I want x by itself, and I just want to know what 1x is. So I'm going to divide it by 11, because 11 divided by 11 gives me 1x. So I divide by 11 here. Negative over negative is positive. X equals 7 over 11. All right. Last one. Last one. The second video is short. Example 3 says negative 5x minus 2x minus 4 equals negative 2x minus 9. About one of the hardest problems I can give you, no harder than any other ones. Okay? Solve this right now before I do it. Pay attention to your positives and negatives. Be careful. Don't make silly little mistakes. Hopefully you did that. I see a negative outside of parentheses, so I'm going to put a 1 here so I can be distributing. Distribute first. Negative 1. So I have negative 5x. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. Equals negative 2x minus 9. Combine like terms is step 2. Hopefully you see that there are like terms here and here. I owe you 5 x's, and then I owe you 2 more x's, which means I owe you 7 x's. Step 3, move variables to one side, constants to the other side. So, I typically like my variables over here, so that's what I'll do. I don't want this here. This is negative 2x, so I'm going to add 2x. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. In other words, it's gone. Plus 2x. I owe you $7, and I have $2. If I pay you back all that I can, I will still owe you $5 or 5 x's. Negative 5x plus 4 equals negative 9. Now I got to get rid of this 4. Hopefully you're like, subtract 4. Minus 4, minus 4, negative 5x equals. I owe you $9, then I owe you 4 more dollars, meaning I owe you $13. Divided by negative 5, x equals, because the negative divided by negative is really positive, x equals 13 over 5. So that's it. I'm out. Make sure you do this homework. Make sure you get it done. Get yourself ready. Study this to get ready for the test.